Looking for ways to increase sales for your small business? Retail is a competitive industry, so to stand out from the crowd, you have to get creative. My name is Kristen from POS Nation, and I'm here to share 4 ways with you to boost profits for your store. The first thing you should do is keep a seasonal calendar up to date. Tracking major holidays, current events, and trends will help you adjust your strategy. No matter your business type, staying in the loop will help you connect with your customer base. Speaking of customers, one of the most personalized ways to increase sales is customized promotions. Get to know your industry, target area, and local audience. Use purchase history to figure out what customers like and don't like. And finally, use your customer base for real-time feedback. Don't be afraid to conduct surveys and use what you find to shape your promotions. You want your promos to align with what your customers are looking for. Next up, customer loyalty programs. Did you know that 85% of customers are more likely to stick with a business that offers customer loyalty programs? You can offer discount punch cards, new product sneak peeks, email coupons, birthday perks, and so much more. No matter the incentives, your customers will love racking up points and getting special deals by being loyal to your business. Finally, get involved and offer resources. One of the greatest things about being a small business is contributing to your local communities. We always recommend hosting free events or workshops to get your name out there. If applicable, you can even give out samples of your products. Even though you might not make a sale at your event, attendees will become familiar with your brand in an up-close and personal setting. After they have a positive experience with your business, they'll likely be back for more. And those are a few of our favorite ways to increase sales for your small business. At the end of the day, tracking and predicting changes in your business is much easier with a custom POS system. If you would like to learn more about how Calc Retail by POS Nation can boost your profits, give us a call at 1-877-727-3548. Thanks for watching.